Yeah, got T-Rod out here about to take the gas tank down. I'm gonna do the truck. Time to get back to work. Yeah, got old school in the yard. Done right here. That's what happens when you go to the dump every day. Everything getting rusty. Help. Help.
On the way. Ain't never there. It's always on the way. I don't know how I end up under here doing this right here, but yeah, when the brains get paid at.
Ain't it?
Ain't that right, Robert?
How many boats you got to take out?
2.
2 boats?
Yeah, that's not ready.
Okay.
Yeah, this I couldn't get this right because it's still this is it right here.
What?
I'm ready. Tank
Just 3 boats?
The
2 boats?
Yeah, the 2 straps.
Oh, okay then. That's cool then.
This the strap. All the holes is loose.
Okay. That ain't take long then.
Well, that's what I was out there doing when I asked him what part was he doing if I was doing all this, you know.
We'll be right back. We get the tank down. You got it.
Yeah. Had no choice but to get it, but you can let me hold your light.
My light. Which one?
I'm gonna need a deep socket.
Deep.
Yeah, deeper than this right here.
Let me see. Yeah, man. There's always something.
Yeah, but we're gonna get it. Cause this need to give him. Like I said.
What good is Ann at, man?
What you mean?
I mean.
What you mean? Let me ask you this.
People always think the ball man don't do no work.
Let me ask you this.
The ball man be on the ground.
Let me ask you, where would you think he would be? Just out of curiosity. Just so I'll know.
Ain't it?
Yeah, it won't be no mystery to me.
Yeah, man.
Right. Well,
yeah, got Tira down here about to take the tank down. We supposed to have help from Robin, but
yeah, was supposed to have.
What kind of light you need, man? At least I can go get the light, man.
I need to look up in here. I guess I need to go to a deeper socket.
Yeah.
A deeper socket, cause
yeah, the den of life with dumpster life.
It's the dump life.
Right here, everything dirty. You still got to fix it. Yeah, but we about to take the tank out of here though.
Strap, alright.
Scrap.
Get ready to drop the boat. Or the boat nut. The nut still in it.
Oh, I got you.
There you go, sit it right there by the other. One strap down. pull that strap down right there. Fuck.
Yeah, I got you. New lines. Yeah.
Yeah, catch that. Catch it out. Catch it out. Don't get crazy now. Don't get crazy. Just catch it out right here. Pull it on around, son. I just want to bend it right there, yeah. All right, but the curve stay in there. I just want to bend it right there. All right, lay it down. All right, let's bend it over a little bit more right here. Lay it down. I want to slide them together one by one.
Probably, well, my one probably be better. Then we can move around like we want them.
All right. Take that stuff off the other end. But I pulled them out together because I thought they had a clamp that was holding them together.
Nah. I'm trying to put them on. Okay. There's one right there. There's one on right there.
One of them came through.
Yeah.
Hold on, man. I can't look up.
I got my hand on the back of both of them though.
Yeah, but I can't look up here because
I can't see it either.
No, that's like a little stuff.
I just feel it.
Okay. Okay. This must be where it broke at.
Right there?
Yep, right here. This is where the plastic part went in at.
Okay, then.
So you still got the plastic part in your hand back there somewhere.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. All right, pull it. Let's see. Yeah, hold it. Don't pull it there. Easy. Easy, cause let me unhook it off everything as it's coming. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold up.
Yeah. Let's see.
I came through right there, yeah.
Okay, yeah, so he got the other end of it right here.
Okay, then. Okay,
This part that came off the tank.
Okay.
Yep. Let's see, it snatched off that end right here.
Nah, we don't fuck no dealership.
All right, that's it.
Nah.
All right. All right. And hold them on the ground. We're gonna stretch them out so they'll be the same length. So
Is all the wires?
yeah, that's it.
Okay, then.
That's both lines. Let's slide them back under here. Hook him back up.
Got everything unhooked.
Okay. I really have to unhook all them other holes, but we didn't do it. The tank had to come down. So yeah.
Okay, then.
Go back up.
I got the first line up. We're on the second line. Coming through. I don't feel it yet. I hear it. That's it right there?
Yeah.
I feel it now.
It ain't yeah, I was up under the hose. I got my hand on. Feel the top up there. On the top of the depth tank. My hand on top of the depth tank.
Okay, then.
Yeah. It should be passing by now.
Pull up.
Did it pass by yet?
Nah, I feel something.
It should be.
You wiggle it. I feel it right here.
Yeah, that's why I say you should be passing.
Other line right here too.
Right. Oh no. Feel down a little further. I got the hose in my hand. Feel up on top of the depth tank.
Top of the depth tank.
Yep.
It
should be through now.
Oh yeah.
It should be through now.
Hold up, man.
I got you.
Yeah, it was bending. That's what I was trying to tell you.
I had my hand on top of it. I was pushing it.
Oh.
I was pushing the rubber part.
Okay.
That's what I was pushing the top.
Yeah.
That's why I tell you reach up on top of the depth because I can feel it.
Yeah. Now we can't do it just a little bent, that's all.
I was pushing it. It should be close because it run right to the top of the tank. Oh, it don't go all the way to that part. It go to the top of the tank, right? Just drop it right there. Yep. It go to the top of the tank, somewhere right along in there. It don't go to the very top of it.
Okay then.
As about far as it go, cause it go where I'm running up front right here.
I see the two things that go in right here.
Okay.
Yeah, two things right on the sidewall right here. Got two on.
Well, is that the two for those?
I think it is.
Like I said, if you can hook that line up, hook it up.
Hook it up.
Uh huh.
I can't hook it up. I don't see it hook it up at.
It should feel right up top of the tank. Okay, I can hook it up. Got the steel up to the tank.
I got a little further. It's a little further down than the one I'm in.
It's closer to you.
Yeah.
The one for the little one.
Yeah.
It's close to you.
It's
The one for the big one way back there by the filter. The one for the little one we talking about is right there by you.
Okay then.
Up on the side right there.
I'm looking.
Like I said, I might have to feel it.
Yeah.
That's how I got it.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, come. You know I got short on, bro.
That's why I said she'd be right there in front of you.
Yeah. I see a little ring and everything. One of them a vent jank, one of them a gas jank, ain't it?
For the gas door out there. That's the two big ones up there.
Yeah. Put my thing right here. Tank drop, about to try to put these lines on here. Just these lines right here. Got a crack in them somewhere.
Start keying.
Huh?
I need to get up with that, unlock the line.
You got it? Yeah, we back. Finally got the gas tank. The back up in the doodle again. Got it running. Jug of water. Who jug of water? That ant shit, ain't it? It's a Kool-Aid, that jank, you like?
I don't shoot water for the radio.
Huh? Yeah, it was T-Rod and Mr. Fix It. Yeah. Finally got the doodle running back again. Just still got to take it to the shop, though. Get the four-wheel drive fixed. Crank the chain up. There you go. Got no more fuel leaking no more. Tank back up. Yep. This is all the pallet trash that came on my four-wheel drive. This is why the line got messed up. All this stuff was tangled up in my four-wheel drive. Look at it. At the landfill. If anything go landfill, please be careful. I don't care which one you go to. Man, with trash on trash. Don't got to clean up a little bit. All that trash. All that caught in the four-wheel drive. Right there. I do not see any more fuel leaking anymore. Bam. This all the trash that was caught in my four-wheel drive. All the trash. Look at that trash. I can't even believe all this stuff got caught in the four-wheel drive. Look at that. Here we got. We got a rope. We got a rope. We got some black stuff. Oh, a pot. A garden pot. What else we got? Siding. Plastic. Old fuel lines. Look at that. Box spring. Why? Fence. Look at that. Got a whole fence in there. And we got some Christmas lights too. Look at that. Christmas lights. Man, I think I picked up everything at the dump. Everything. Look at the big ass rope. Look at that. I don't even know what this is. Anybody tell me what this is? What is this? It got wires on it. It's like a flower or something. Oh, a light. Some kind of light. Look at all that. Look at it. This is the kind of stuff you don't expect when you're in a dumpster business, dumpster roll-off business. You expect to go to the dump. You don't expect to bring the dump back with you. All together, they cost me about $2,500 to fix everything. You know, out my pocket. Dumpster life. Yeah, we think we're making all the money. A lot of money we got to waste when we got to fix stuff. Look at that. We need to clean back the truck bed out. But we did get around to pressure washing the truck the other day. It looked a whole lot better. So we pressure washed it. Cause this girl was dirty. She was dirty. But she looks so clean now. Not clean like I wanted to be, but man, look at that. Shoes coming apart, man. Man, rough out here. But the truck is finally back running again. Finally back running. Yeah, the cousin T-Rock came by, helped me out. Yeah, when I say help, I mean he did most of the work. Man, I need to clean this thing out. Look at that. Yep. But that's it for now. Yep. It's our first time ever driving fuel tank on a truck like this. But actually, it went all that hard though, tell you the truth. It went all that hard. I guess because with that much gas in here. Matter of fact, let me check some more gas in here. Oh, still got about half a tank. We good. If anybody out there know about anything about coal air intake for these trucks, drop me a comment on who got the best one out there. I need to put one on here.